Hello team, for this hackathon we have built Wakey, decentralized uptime monitoring platform. Before going into the project, let me introduce to my team. We have Ananya, who is a full stack web developer and great with UI UX, and we have Harsh Shukla, who is an Alchemy grad and super team member and been a winner of hackathons in past of both EVM and SVM chain. And it's me, Mani. I have experience in building Web3 of more than an year now. So this is how I started building Wakey. I was showcasing my websites to my classmates, and I noticed that some of the websites were down. Then I thought we should monitor our website continuously. Then I researched about the available market option. There were uptime bot, but the uptime bot has stricter limit and higher cost. And there was one key issue there. Those were the optimized server which were interacting with my websites, but they don't provide real-time insights when a real user interacts with our websites. So I built a basic prototype where my local machine was continuously monitoring my websites. But for continuous monitoring, I needed to run that hardware 24 by 7. Then it hit me. I saw an ideal device and thought, why not these device monitor my websites? Then I got the idea of Wakey, where who has an ideal resource can join the network and validate the websites and get paid in Solana. Why is this useful? By this, there would be mass onboarding to Solana. So this is how it provided an opportunity for decentralized physical infrastructure. So let's suppose there are two computers. One computer is an ideal computer. It's not being used. So what I planned in my websites, the user will list their website which they want to monitor, and a validator who has an ideal resource can join the network of validators. Then the websites which need to be monitored will be distributed to these validators. Then these validators will be interacting with the website and providing the real-time insights in the form of data. As you can see, the real-time updates will be in this way. We will have the performance metrics and if there are any incidents and what is the availability of the website. And the complete report of the website will be generated. This is how user will be monitoring the website. And this is the validator side of things. The validators will be continuously validating the website and he can withdraw SOL for his computing resources. We can incentivize the validators, and these validators will be promoting the platform, and more validators will be joining the network, making the network even stronger. And why I am using Solana for this? Because the transaction fee in Solana is really low and the transaction is fast. So what is the market size? Who are the real users of these websites? As you know, there are billions of websites, and every startups need to validate their website. It's a market value of 2.5 billion USD. And the main target for our website is the startups and indie devs who want to monitor the website. And we have launched a testnet for this. And the positive feedback we have received is the website was relatively easy to monitor, easy to use. And the mail updates, real-time mail updates were really helpful. And the metrics, as I was shown, were real game changers. And the payments were really fast because of Solana. Some feedbacks we received was validators assignment algorithm. And currently, we only work on latency, so we don't know the reason why the website is down. We are working on it, and the fund distribution is a little uneven now, and everyone are receiving the equal funds. Let me give an example for this. What happens now is the validator is two validators are validating a website. One validator validates a website which has really low latency. Let's suppose 20 milliseconds, and another validator is validating a website which is down. So he might spend more time on validating the website, but both the validators receive same amount of Solana. So we are working on that to get a fair share of Solana for their computing resources. So what is our big vision with this website? So far now, as I said, we are only working on the latency. We will be going more in depth with an API endpoints. And if the startups really want to level up their monitoring game, we are planning on implementing the API we are planning on implementing with the API keys. So we get better insights of why the website was down by analyzing the root cause of the downtime. And we are planning on integrating validator network quality. So if there are any false validators who are disturbing the network with consensus, we can remove those false validators. That's it from my side. Thank you.